bouquet, but the men then come back into the middle. We'll do the garter chuck. And the idea, if you will please, is that the lady who gets the bouquet, the young man who gets the garter, gets to dance the second dance together.
Forward, this hand, this hand.
You too. I think Sharon first. I'll give her a kiss. Actually, I might give it to Graham, Ivor to put Granddad's.
Well, I was.
Oh, let me hide it so I don't see they've got a dance move.
I don't think they've realised.
Good looking. You've got to be good looking.